Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lava phone setting, and today video title is guys lava phone guys talkback full setting. But is talkback on lava mobile? Friends, you don't know about talkback, how to on, how to use talkback on lava mobiles. So don't worry friends, in this video I will tell you how to use talkback on lava mobile. So without waste time guys, open your lava phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your lava mobile. So friends, click on lava mobile intelligent setting. After guys intelligent setting friends, you can use smart answer setting, three finger screenshot, lift to wake setting means guys raise to wake, one hand mode setting friends, you can enable from here. You can use your one hand mode setting is right side, and left side friends you can use your one hand mode setting. So friends, click here last option accessibility setting. Friends, you can select to speak setting. You want to enable guys select to speak, you can enable, and you can use your select to speak how to use. So friends, click on talkback, use talkback, click here, then scroll it, allow option, click here, talkback will on your device. So guys, after on guys how to friends, you can see talkback is on, it provides spoken feedback. So friends, if you click one tap on back button, you cannot back. You want to back friends, double tap here, continue. You can use your lava phone back button setting. Friends, same here, home screen setting, one tap here, double tap here. Friends, you want to close your recent app, one tap here, double tap here. Friends, two finger use, because with one finger you cannot close, two finger you can use guys talkback setting on your device. So a person who is blind guys, they use talkback setting with sound. Friends, you can see when I will click on Instagram then sound, double tap here and you can on Instagram app. You want to close your Instagram app, use your two finger, you can close it. So guys, with two finger we can control our device. We can use our lava phone with two finger, one finger you cannot use. And friends, now you want to turn off talkback, you don't want to use talkback on your device, use your two finger, one tap here, double tap here, again use friends two finger, intelligent setting guys, one finger tap here, double tap friends, continue here, again scroll with two finger, last accessibility, one tap, continue friends, two tap, talkback, one tap, double tap, use talkback setting, one tap, double tap, stop button, double tap. Talkback off. Friends, talkback will off on your device, and friends, you can use your lava phone without talkback. So like that friends, we can use talkback full setting, we can set up talkback on lava mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video friends. Now do you have any problem? So friends, you can ask. Bye friends.